So this is a Microsoft Word MS Word page, and suppose in this page there is a content, and if you want to take the printer settings very easily, then you must click the three keys. That is this is the I key, this is Control, and this is Alt. So you must click this Control key, Alt key, and I key, these three keys at the same time, and then you can see that the printer setting, this section have been arrived here. And suppose if it is the normal margin, and if you want to change it to a mirrored margin option, then you must click here, and from there you can choose the if you click here, then you can see the option to choose from here, customize the margin, and here you can see mirrored margin with top 2.54 centimeter and inside 3.18 centimeter, or outside 2.54 centimeter. So you must choose this if you want to pick the mirrored margin in that page. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.